Hi, my name is Joe Mendes and I'm from Oil Trap Technology. I'd like to give you a demonstration on current technology and on the oil trap newly patented technology. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a spill over here and show you typically what happens today when they have a spill out there. And here we've created a spill, and now what we'll do is we're going to put some dispersants on there. And in a short period of time, you'll see the effect of what dispersants have on oil spills and how quickly they get rid of them and send them to the bottom. So now, here we're going to see what happens. As you can see, very short period of time, and there it goes. Now it's sunk it to the bottom, and what they'll do is they'll come back and they'll put more on it. And they'll keep spraying. When you see those big sprayers, those tankers, this is basically what they're doing. They're continuing to put the dispersants on it until all of the hydrocarbons are sent to the bottom. Again, short period of time, there you can see wave action will send it right to the bottom. Now, we're going to go a little further now. We're going to show you what the oil trap is like. Okay, now when you get a typical spill, we're going to create a spill here within the oil trap. And we're going to immediately come out with the booms. We're going to bring booms out there. So what the boom is doing right now is it's got this spill contained, as you can see. It's holding it in place. And that's all well and good until you get something called wave action. So now let's create some wave action and see how effective the boom is. Well, you can see how effective it is. The boom. So now, here's what ends up in our landfills. Let's continue the demonstration with how the oil trap and its newly patented system is going to work. So now let's create that wave action that just disrupted the boom. Now with this technology, the more wave action, the better it works. As you can see, it's allowing the hydrocarbons to go in with the water into the trap. The water comes out. Hydrocarbons are locked in. Now, this is a small device, but if you can imagine this device expanded thousands of times, and you can now see what kind of an effect this system, this new technology would have. This is a newly patented system, a device. Now, I'm going to set it here, and you can look down on it, and you can see the clarity of it. You can see that the hydrocarbons are all locked in to the trap. The water is clear. So now let's see just how clear the water is. So again, with this technology, the more wave action you get, which typically you can see what happens, the booms just can't handle it. So now, let's see what we were able to accomplish. Now, as you can see, if you look inside here, you can see the hydrocarbons are all locked in there. Now, these cassettes that are inside this trap can be very easily extracted. You put new cassettes in, reuse the trap over and over again. You can use the trap thousands of times. Well, here's what we have. You now can see the hydrocarbons that have been sunk to the bottom, the chemical dispersements. You can now see the result of what your water looks like after you've used the oil trap. Now, I'll let you be the judge. Do you think that you want to use booms that act as a containment and only so that you can then put the dispersants on it and send them to the bottom? Or would you rather have this here? And you can be the judge of that. My name is Joe Mendes again. I'm from Oil Trap Technologies. Thank you.